I want to show how easy it is to assemble the parasol base for the balcony. First, you take the base part, and I would like you to notice the square and the two circles. And then you take this short leg and notice the square. Match it with the square on the base part, like this. And the same goes for the other legs, where you notice this circle. Take the ring, and you have to notice there's also two circles and a square. Place it on top of the base here. Take the parasol, place the pole inside the base like this. Push in the legs and squeeze down the ring. Give it an extra push and then it's secured. Take the fabric bag, place the plastic bag inside the fabric bag, fill it with sand, roll the plastic bag inside the fabric bag and seal the Velcro. That's how easy it is to assemble. When the summer is done and you want to disassemble your parasol base, you simply just squeeze around the ring like this and pull up. That's how simple and easy it is. I hope you enjoy your parasol base for the balcony. Have a good summer!